What's going on, guys? Got a open position here in the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures, 15th of March. Had a earlier trade for a 10-point loss in the futures, reestablished here at 38.87 and 3/4. Another 10-point stop down there at 38.77.75. Looking for a pop here. Some news that came out at 8:30. Volatility in the markets. S&Ps are down 63. See how they do today. Looking for a little bit of a bounce up to at least to this low over here, to the 39.04 area, 39.03. Little pop here at the open. We'll see if it can hold. Crazy volatility going on recently with the banks. And then the news this morning, markets were down quite a bit. A little bit of a live trade here. Tried to record this morning's trade, and my screensaver came on and lost the chart. I ended up being stopped out, like I said, for 10 points. Once we undercut the low this morning, we got stopped out right down in here. And of course, the market has rallied. So we were waiting for some more confirmation to the upside before reestablishing. That's why we didn't buy the bottom. Try to buy some strength when scalping the futures. Market just opened 9:30 a.m. on the East Coast. This is the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures /MESM3. The June 23s. This is the smaller contract to the big S&P 500 full size. You can see our stop over here, 38.77 and 3/4. That's a 10-point stop from where we entered at 38.87 and 3/4. Position currently up 6 1/4. We have actually, I think it ended up being a 9-point loss. 9-point loss this morning. So we're not quite break even yet. See how this plays out. Try to give it some room to run. Be good to see a break above this high here, which was 3,900. About to get a crossover here with some moving averages. See if that can hold. Once we undercut that low, I had a feeling that we were going to rally, but unfortunately, that's where our stop was. So all is well. 58 points in the red this morning. 59 points in the red for the futures. Down 60. We'll see what happens here. Figured I would try to record this trade if I can hang on the computer for a little bit so I don't lose the chart as the screensaver came on before. We still remain long the micro Bitcoin futures over here, the /MBT H3s. We have Russell futures working, and then we are in a position currently of the /MES. NASDAQ down 111 this morning in the micros. 119. Looks like, where's the Dow? I know I have the Dow on here somewhere. /YM down 522. Pretty ugly day for the Dow. Excuse me, guys. Oh, let's see here. It is Tuesday, the 15th of March. Getting over a cold here. Had a sore throat yesterday. Did a couple of videos on YouTube, on the channel here. A couple of shorts. Spent most of the day just resting. Feel quite a bit better today, but still recovering here. Taking some vitamin C. Trying to just take advantage of potential opportunity here in the markets as these futures have been, looks like what I think anyways, a little bit oversold. Oh, let's see here. Just didn't quite hit the 3,900 there. Getting close. Could see a big pop above that 3,900. If we can get up there, it's trying. Looks like we just broke even on the day. There we go. Little candle wick above the 3,900. Let's see if they can move the market higher than that, or is that going to be the high for a while? What is this low over here? This low is 39.0450. Nice pop to the upside. Looks like we just about hit it there. We pull back here. 39.0450. 39.0425. So it came within a quarter of hitting that low over in here. And we reverse big time after taking out the 3,900 level. Looks like some selling pressure coming into the market at that 3,900. It's 9:35. Markets have been open for 5 minutes. Futures obviously have been trading all night. You can see this big sell-off we had starting basically, I guess we did the big undercut 4:30 this morning. Big move down from the 39.40s all the way down to basically early this morning, the 38.60s. So that was ugly to say the least. Getting that crossover, or trying to get that crossover of the moving average here. These markets are looking a little heavy, though. Don't know if this is going to work out for us here. One of the best things I've found out for scalping is, first of all, having a set of rules. Second of all, taking the trades and letting them work out. If you don't get stopped out, just let it go. You can think yourself into all kinds of scenarios. $531, the Dow is down. Micro futures down 120. They were just positive, actually. Russell down 51, beating up the small caps quite a bit. Getting a pretty nice pullback here for the S&Ps. It's like 39.04 and a quarter was our high this morning. 39.04 and a quarter. Almost hit this low over here. Figured we would get some resistance when we got up to that level. Get a nice little bounce here off the moving averages. Let's see what's going on. Trying to get above that 3,900 level. It's trying. I don't know if it'll do it, though. Dow moving up a little bit, only down 509. We had a green Bitcoin for a little bit there. I think I saw 40 points or so. They're down 110. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all the subscribers. We're on our way to that 1,700 subscriber mark. Getting close. Probably hit that today. We'll see, though. How about that rally in Bitcoin we've had the past couple days? Very, very incredible. Bitcoin entered bearish territory. Buyers stepped in and pushed it all the way back up to a new high, probably coupled with some short covering. People get too bearish on the pullbacks, and They pushed the market back the other way, and a massive rally took place. We got long Bitcoin micro futures, the /MBTH3s. Got long those the other day. They're pulling back, but we still remain in those long futures position. All right, guys, trying to get above 3,900 here. Try to take 20 points out of this scalp and get off the computer for a bit this morning. If we can get 20 points out of it, that'd put us up just about $50 on the morning. Like I said, looks like we just got the crossover there, so that is good. We'll see if it holds. You can see we got the crossover this morning here, and that was a very bearish signal. And we just got the bullish crossover right here, so we're looking for that bullish signal, if it can hold. If it can hold is the key. Looks like we got the cross on the last candle. So that's a confirmation. So try to keep that bar over in here. And we're getting some confirmation to the upside. See if we can take out that 39.04 3/4 would be that low, which came around yesterday right before 4 p.m. Might have a tough time now, 3,900. It seems a little heavy. So 10 points gets us back to what we had lost this morning. 20, or anything above 10, I should say, put this in the green. But we're looking for just about a 20-point profit here. Would put you up $50 for one contract. We only have one contract on here, guys. You got to love the futures markets. The futures markets are as big as you want them to be. You can trade as small as one micro contract. You can trade as big as 100 or 1,000 or more than that. Full-size contracts. Got to love the futures markets. We recently just got into trading more actively the Bitcoin micro futures. Here we go. Getting a nice little pop up to the 454. There we go. There we go. Nice move to the upside. We're going to close this position here. That was good for 18 points. We were happy with that. We were looking for 20. We got 18. We are currently out of the micro E-mini S&P futures. That puts us up $38.50 this morning. Hey, we'll take it after a loss of 9 points this morning. We'll take the positive 9 there. All right, guys, you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. We haven't been doing much scalping recently, but we are on the computer this morning. We see an opportunity. We took it this morning, got stopped out, saw the opportunity arise again, took it, and just had a positive day so far in the E-mini S&P micro futures. The June's S&P is down 49.75. You guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care.